how to redeem points on American Express. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can redeem your American Express points. So let's say over time you've accumulated quite a lot of points and now you'd like to redeem it. Now what you'll have to do to redeem it is basically log into your American Express account and simply tap on the option view and redeem points. Now currently I don't have that much points as I just recently started. I only have 500 points. But let's say you have enough points to be able to redeem the things you'd like. So what you can do to browse is basically scroll down. You can see all of the different items over here and the amount of points required to buy them. So you can simply scroll down, go to various sections. So you can shop for sports and leisure items, you can shop for electronics, gift cards, travel, special offers, home and gardens. So there are a bunch of various places where you can redeem your points. So let me simply go to electronics section. After that, you have a ton of different options right over here as well. So let's say you have maybe 60,000 points. Now you can simply redeem an AirPods Pro 2nd Gen by simply tapping this option right over here. After that, once you have enough points, simply tap on the option add to cart. And once you've done that, go to your cart, view cart and check out. And then if you have enough points, those points will be automatically deducted from your account, and then you'll have to enter your 4-digit CID number, your 3-digit CSC number, confirm that you have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, proceed to checkout, and once you've done that, you'll have successfully redeemed your points on American Express. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.